Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow our Telegram channel, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now, if you were following our channel consistently, you would have seen how we literally predicted this move on AUD especially on the weekly time frame, on the weekly analysis we usually do every week. I predicted that AUD will drop. So if you've not watched it, you can check back on the channel for the week that we analysis we did for the week on AUD. You can go back to watch it and confirm. So exactly what we predicted is what market has done. So with what I'm seeing, I'm still seeing that drop again. Like I said, I'm expecting that drop to a level of 0.65921. I repeat again, to a level of 0.65921. Once market taps that level, I'm going to give you guys an update. Is there a possibility of market breaking it? Absolutely yes. There's higher possibility, or will I say higher probability that market is going to break this low, because with what you are seeing now, AUDUSD is aggressively bearish. It is dropping down massively, so it's likely to break the support level. I mean, if you are to take a look at this, right, we can see here to be the resistance. Markets came to tap the support. You can see it came to this resistance. Markets eventually came to tap the support level. You can see it, right? It came to this resistance, right? Markets eventually came to tap the support level before it pushes up to give us this breakout. This breakout you can see. Now market is literally pushing aggressively down to downside. So once you can tap the support level, I believe it will break below it. That is what I'm saying. So still a bearish move is what we are expecting on AUD. So maybe you can wait for a little bit of a pullback before you go ahead and sell. It depends on how you want to enter this trade. What we know is that AUD will sell. Stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section.